I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully.
Well, no one's gonna drink this, maybe I'll just... Ugh, that's terrible. That's...
Hey, Tina.
Hi, Teddy.
Hi.
Huh.
Gross, right?
Yeah, it's an acquired taste.
Hi, and welcome to my collection of Funko Pops. I wanted to share with you a new exclusive that I've gotten from Box Lunch. Now, I'm fairly new to the world of Bob's Burgers, but I really like the show a lot. So I've been trying to collect some of the Pops that are now, I take it for the most part, vaulted. So this one is still available. It is Louise, and it's an exclusive from Box Lunch, and it helps raise money through Box Lunch for Feeding America, which is a charity. Then I also have Tina, Jean, Great Mom Linda, and of course Bob himself. But what I've recently got is the Tina exclusive Box Lunch that features her riding the unicorn from her first taste of Espresso Freakout. So the piece retails for $40, but I was able to get it on a Black Friday special, so I got it at a good discount. And I have it here in the box. So let's take a peek at it and see how well it was packaged and how it looks. Make sure you open it very carefully. Always lift the lid when you're cutting it, because if the top of the box is too close to the top, you could easily cut into it. So be really careful. So there's our receipt. And, oh, it's a nice little coupon for $25 off my next purchase of $75 or more. Nice. And it's not packaged with bubble or anything like that. It's just got paper in it. So that's, oh. Okay, so I already see it's damaged. So if you look, someone didn't follow the directions I just gave you, and they've cut through the top of the box. So I'm going to be bringing this back to the store to hopefully get it exchanged. But anyway, here we go. Espresso, Trip, Tina, and Unicorn. So hopefully you can see that. And I'm going to open this up so we can see what the figure looks like. So it's nicely wedged in there in plastic. So we'll just pop that open. And there we go. It's got a really nice base for it, so it stands up really well. And there you can see Tina. There's her little cup of espresso. So it's a really nice figure. Oh. So there we go. Other than the damage to the box, beautiful figure, nice addition to the collection. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It gives you an idea of what the figure looks like. And I hope you will tune back for future videos showing different things from the collection as they come in. One future item, which I may or may not be opening, will be the Lord of the Rings mystery box exclusive from Barnes & Noble. For those of you who collect, you already know what's in here. It's got two Barnes & Noble exclusives of Galadriel, all green, showing off her powers, and Invisible Gollum. But it also has a little mini figure that is in plastic, so you don't know necessarily what you're going to be getting. So I'm toying with, should I open it or should I just leave it sealed up? So we'll see. Keep tuned in, and we'll see if I open this one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.